What's up? Welcome back. I totally have a mess behind me. Let's ignore that because today we're talking skincare. I know I don't have any makeup on. I'm actually about to start doing my makeup. I'm about to start getting ready for the day. I figured I would share with you guys some products that I have been using by Keels. I actually picked it up in this holiday set. How cute is this freaking set, by the way? I've already been using it, don't be fooled, but I just, you know, had to save the packaging because it was just so freaking cute. It has 5 products I have been absolutely loving. There are 2 that I haven't tried yet, but everything else I've absolutely been loving. Totally worth my money. If you want to see what it is that I've been loving, and if you maybe need some holiday gift guide ideas, this is definitely a really good suggestion. And if you're just looking to gift yourself a gift this year, holiday season, girl, why not? We work so freaking hard. It's okay to splurge every now and then, especially when it's a really good deal. So if you want to see what I've been loving, and if you want to do some skincare with me, drink a little green tea, girl, then just keep watching. So this is the set right here. It is by Keels. I actually picked up this set in Saks Fifth Avenue a couple of weeks ago. I know that sounds so freaking bougie, but let me tell you, I only paid freaking $40 for 5 products. That is literally like unfreaking heard of. That is such a good deal. Let me tell you just right off the bat, if you're looking to purchase perfume, if you're looking to purchase skincare, this is definitely the time because they have the best deals on sets. This is definitely the best way, I feel like, to try multiple products and not literally break the bank, because one skincare product can easily run you like $150. Let me tell you, I love skincare, but I like affordable skincare, and this is definitely the way to go. So when I saw this set, I knew I had to pick it up. You do get 5 products, and literally I've already been using them. I'm just like so extra. I saved the packaging because I knew I was going to film an overall review. So I will say that I have tried one other product by Keels, and it is in this set. So that is what made me stop and look, because the Keels Creamy Avocado Eye Cream caught my eye. Let me tell you, this is what literally stole the show when I saw the box. I was like, this alone is like $40 for the smallest little container, but you do get a lot of product. So when I saw that I could get a full set, try multiple products for $40, I knew I was already sold. So I already love this, so I have been trying this, and I don't know why I freaking stopped, but I have noticed such a huge difference under my under eyes when I started using this again, and I've probably been using it for like 2 weeks now. It is green. So I just want to show you the products just like right off the bat. It literally makes your under eyes glisten and glow. I do get a little red when I put any skincare on my face, so if you do see me getting a little bit red, that's like totally normal. Unless I'm like jumping up, screaming, saying my face is burning, then that's how you know I'm having an irritation. But my skin does end up like calming down after I stop touching it. So all you need usually is just like the tiniest amount, literally the freaking tiniest amount, and I just go in with both fingers. I will maybe just add a little bit extra under my eyes since my skin has been extra dry lately. I just really love this eye cream. Like, it is so freaking nice. It literally just makes your under eyes look so healthy. Do you see that? Obviously it does like soak in. It doesn't stay as shiny, but it still does leave a little bit of a glisten. I love me a good eye cream. It is so freaking important to just keep your under eyes hydrated. It just helps your makeup go on so much smoother and nicer. You get the Ultra Facial Cream. This is a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula, which I desperately needed. We are in the colder months. My skin is just like a lot drier than it usually is. I do have combination skin, so my skin is sometimes oily, sometimes it's super dry. It really just depends on the season and the reason, girl. You name it, my skin has a mind of its own. So this is one thing that I have absolutely been loving. It hasn't caused me to break out. I have been using these products for about 2 weeks now, and I really wanted to make sure that my skin like wasn't going to react. This is a 24-hour hydration formula, and I feel like you get a pretty good amount. I know the containers look relatively small, but you really don't need that much. I usually do like little, I kind of put that one too close to my mouth there. I taste it. The scent is really subtle, which is nice. I don't really like my skincare to be like super strong in scent. I like it to feel like super clean. I like it to feel like spa-like. I always go up just so like, you know, we can keep the wrinkles away, okay? I feel like this is a cream that you can wear morning and night, and I have been. So I don't think I mentioned that I already washed my face before I sat down because I took a quick shower after the gym, and I've been using this morning and night. My skin has been absolutely loving it. This is the Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I'm probably not saying that right, but it is made with the Calendula flower extract. I'll go ahead and leave a picture right here, girl, because I don't even know what flower that is. Anyways, but it is for normal to oily skin, so the skincare set is perfect for me because I do have normal to oily skin, and I've been loving this face wash. I definitely noticed a difference when I started making a conscious effort and buying cleaner skincare products, and my skin has definitely been paying me back in a positive way. So thank you, skin gods, because my skin has been loving this face wash, so I know for sure this will be something that I pick up again. I'll go ahead and have a little insert right here and let you guys see how nice and foamy, and like literally all you need is like the tiniest amount, and it literally does the job for your entire face. Buy yourself a good little skincare set. You get multiple products, and then you can know what products you want to like repurchase, and like if it's worth the like big buck splurge, okay? All three of these together is literally the combination of freaking hydration dreams, okay? Let me just say that again. This is the combination of hydration dreams, and not in like an overly hydration, like oily way. It's definitely a subtle, healthy hydration. I love it. My skin loves it. If this set isn't like something that's geared towards your skincare needs, there were so many other freaking KIEHLS sets. Let me tell you, I couldn't even like make up my mind which one I wanted. But because I wanted to own this eye cream so bad again, this is the one that I ended up going with. So these two products are the last products that were in the set, and I have yet to try them. So this one right here is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Like I love feet masks. Well, I haven't tried one, but I probably would like them. But anyways, I love like any type of face mask, so I know I'll probably love this. So far, all these other products have been absolutely amazing to me. You do get a decent amount of product. You do need like a little like face mask, like little applicator. My pores on my nose are my problem area. Is anybody else with me? Like literally, I'm like, don't look too close, girl. Yes, okay, this set is just screaming, Victoria, take me home. I know they do have different sizes to each one of these products, so I know that like this isn't like the biggest size for each one of these products, but it still is a really good deal because I feel like for the small eye cream, it's like $30. So for $40, I got 5 products for almost the same price as like what they sell this for in Sephora. So right off the bat, these are definitely worth the overall $40 in the box, and then you still get 2 more products. These are the 2 that are probably more like the sample size or like the travel size. And the last product is this Keels Midnight Recovery Concentrate, which I have yet to use this as well. My skin has been having like a few blemishes, so before I go and add anything else on my skin, I just wanted to give it a little bit of a break and make sure that these 3 products right here were going to adjust well on my skin before I started using like a whole line of like things. This product right here though, I have read amazing reviews on. I read really good reviews on all these products. I wanted to see like what other people thought of them before I used them. And this one right here is for like a hyperpigmentation situation, if you know what I mean. If you have acne and if you suffer from scarring, this is definitely a product that is worth an investment. I know like hyperpigmentation type of serums and creams can be relatively expensive, but I have heard that this one does work. So I'm sure this is probably like a sample size, but you do get a little dropper and you can control like how much product you take out of it, and you don't even need, oh girl, I'm about to drop a drop on the floor. I'm trying to save every drop that's in this little bottle. Anyways, but you can control how much like comes out of the dropper, and you don't need that much. I try and put it just exactly where I need it. That is everything. I'm gonna go and do the rest of my makeup, start my freaking day, because I feel like it's taking me forever. So if you are literally on the hunt for skincare and you're just on a budget, girl, I know what it's like to be on a budget, especially during the holidays, then this is definitely a set that I would definitely recommend, especially if it's not this one, I would just recommend like going out and picking up a skincare set. This is like the perfect gift idea because it's under $50. You don't have to break the bank to give it as a gift. Everybody loves a good skincare moment, and skincare is like most of the time something that like people don't want to spend their money on, but everybody low-key wants, you know what I'm saying? But it's just so expensive. So I feel like during the holidays, the one sell that is done right is like in the fragrance and skincare department, because it's freaking expensive all year round. So if you like this video and if you want to see me review more skincare products, let me know in the comments down below, and until my next one, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!